How to flip your class. 4 simple steps. Format, interact, reflect, and extend. Step 1, format. In this step, we will cover the main purpose of doing a flipped lesson, different formats you can use for your flipped lesson, and how to turn your already made lessons into a video. Part 1, the purpose of a flipped lesson. In a traditional classroom, you teach the students the basics in the classroom and have them practice and apply at home. In a flipped classroom, you teach the students the basics at home and have them practice and apply in the classroom. Flipped lessons allow for more time in class practicing and applying the information. It also offers more opportunity for students to get help when they are stuck or have misconceptions. Part 2, choose your format. You can choose to create your own video, use an already created video, or have no video, just a simple reading of important information. Creating your own video. You can create your own video by using things like Powtoon. Use it as screencast recording, or record your own slide presentation. If you're creating your own videos, one pro is that the information is exactly what you want the students to know. Plus, students prefer hearing the voice of their teacher. A con is that it takes time to create a video, and you might need to learn how to actually create one. Use an already created video. There are some great sites that already have videos ready to go. You can find them on YouTube, Khan Academy, or other places. The pro of using an already made video is that you can save time from creating, and you don't need to learn a new skill of video creating. A con is that it could take a while to find what you want, and you might have information that's not needed. You can also do no video and just hand out a reading. A pro for no video, just reading, is it does not require students to have access to technology at home. All students are able to use it. A con is that it only uses the student's sense of vision instead of vision and auditory, so that it's not as engaging. Part 3, turn your already created lessons into a video. You could use a screencasting program like Screencastify, Screencast-O-Matic, Loom, or if you have a Mac, you can use QuickTime. You can also create videos of your already made slide presentations. In PowerPoint, you can create and record your slideshow that you created. You can also do that in Keynote on Macs. How to flip your class. Step 1, choose your format. Click the link in the description for more information and a help sheet to get you started. Thank you for watching another Adventures in ISTEM and Beyond video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more Adventures in ISTEM and Beyond videos. For more ideas on how to incorporate science, technology, and skills for life into your classroom, go to adventuresinistem.com.